So let's start with getting things installed. Well, this channel is about Unity programming, so game engine of my choice is, well, Unity Engine. Link in description, but searching for Unity download will work too. There are few pricing plans, but unless you are making money off game or app made in Unity or work using it, personal free license is the way to go. On site, click download. Proceed with download. It will install Unity Hub. So this is default Unity Hub. You download from Unity site. My PC was formatted recently enough, so I don't really have anything on it. Let's do quick Hub introduction. On left we have account and Hub settings and UI for projects, engine versions, installs, learning resources and community links. Alright, we have window for currently selected option on left. The letter to I very rarely touch. Google or YouTube or AI search works for me. In projects window, you have on left in selection to Unity versioning system. On right, selection Unity cloud status. I didn't really use any of these two. There are alternatives for them. Let's acknowledge they exist and move on. On this screen you have a lot of markings because these things I did use and consider them important. At top you have add option, which really translates to locate on disk or from repository. Search for search by project's names. New projects to create new project. Below, favorites allow you to mark projects and then show them at the top. At right you can click triple dot or right mouse button on project to show current project options in Hub. You can change project engine version and almost rightmost option. After clicking it, such a window appears. You can select engine version or current platform. Clicking Add Platform will show such window. Here you install extra modules as you need. I recommend installing only what you need at the moment and then adding modules. Unity is specialized in being modular engine, you pick and choose what to use. Let's go to Install Hub window. You have tabs for all installs on disk, official releases meaning stable, and pre-releases meaning possibly with some issues, but more or less stable as well. Top right corner you can locate existing installs and install new version. Unity releases quite often, so here as well I encourage only installing what you need at the moment. After clicking install, you have similar options. There are only newest engines shown here and they have LTS shortcut marked next to them. LTS stands for long-term support, meaning they get some stability updates and are most stable versions of engine for a given year. They are important for already existing projects since sometimes upgrading engine isn't that easy. For new projects, it's a good idea to just get newest engine available. Unless you need 100% stability, then get newest long-term support version. In pre-release tab, we have almost newest version. I just wait for official releases, but this should be stable enough. The most interesting but empty tab of archive versions, only containing link to website with many older engine versions. You can download pretty much any version here. It is useful for older projects, but not for us. At the bottom of each engine version window there was a beta program web page which redirects to this website. I guess you get actual newest version here. I never use it. Probably stability is not bad anyway, but I will get it just more for fun and scouting. Next two tabs I didn't really use myself, they are just links to extra resources. I just wanna quickly notice they exist, show them and move on. Unity Learn, featured, recommended, downloaded, and link to Unity Learn page. Lastly, Community tab. I did a screen of summary what I think about them. Two most important are Asset Store and Discussions. You can search them by Google easily anyway. Asset Store has a lot of content, free one as well. I think everyone likes Unity Asset Store. Discussions are just Unity forum where you get questions answered. Unity Muse is paid Unity AI. No idea about it, but you know, everyone loves AI now. On-demand training is paid learn site with quality materials. Well, if you want to spend next year going mega giga learning Unity, you could consider it, but it costs quite a lot and as far as I see, has only yearly options. Unity blog, well, blog, some Unity official articles, and there is Unity Pulse where I guess you get option to state your feedback. In Hub at bottom there is a button for engine download status to see how it's going. At top of the hub there are two settings buttons. Account one for personal peace of mind. I will not click any of these. But here you have buttons for account settings, Unity Cloud, manage licenses, manage organizations, account help, send feedback, troubleshooting, and sign out. As for hub preferences, on cogwheel click, there are quite some of simple tabs. New project default location and I guess option to skip confirm dialog on project removal. From hub, not from disk. Next tab, default locations for engine installs and under downloads. Next tab, appearance, light or dark theme, hiding hub to system tray after opening project and hub language. Next tab, license information and option to activate license or crime-free personal license and I guess student one. Well, personal is enough for non-commercial usage. Next step, privacy, just option to opt in or out of analytics. I didn't mind opting in. Next step, advanced, only option to opt in for beta version and send feedback button. Well, that's it for hub preference. And finally we get to click new project button. At top you can change engine version and we have tabs for all templates, core, samples and learning. By default there is not a lot of downloaded templates. Unity is all about modularity. In rectangle I have marked how we can see if template needs downloading. In core we have bare bones templates, although there are like virtual reality and multiplayer templates which I didn't test, but it would be not bare bones actually. Next is samples tab. Projects here are still simple but have some basic sense setup already. Alright, we can see thumbnail and quick summary of a project. Clicking read more shows longer description, render pipeline, project size, platform and template category. And we have packages tabs which shows, well, auto-installed packages. Think of them like modules with various functionalities. Last we have learning tab, only two projects here, but they are actually working minigames with scripts and else you can play with. Lastly, there are three render pipelines. Think of them like graphic part of an engine. Changing them changes your game graphics capabilities. Current default is universal render pipeline. You know, universal one, works on everything, is well updated, simple, lightweight, etc. Previous default one was built-in or standard, which is almost like a legacy pipeline. It was there for a really long time before, while battle tested, probably still the most stable one, works on everything and can be used for compatibility with older projects. But main issue is that it is being replaced with universal render pipeline, less support with time, sometimes even assets from store don't support it. And there is high definition render pipeline, allows you to get best graphics, limited to only desktop, Xbox, PlayStation. Also most demanding and probably hardest to work with. If you want to keep current screen, just pause the video. Finally, I can get to creating a project, newest version when I started making game, Unity 6 0.32 F1. This is how it looked when I created Swarm Balls project, actually I didn't even name it like that. No usage of Unity Cloud or version control. And well, there is only one thing left, to click create button. And this will do for this video. Getting to the end of making YouTube series with first sample game will take quite a lot of time. But well, here I have specialized standalone Unity Hub video. Standard YouTube stuff. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, etc. Peace.